My name is Aayush, and this is my Android Studio assignment. Here on the right, we have the emulator. So we just have an empty task list. We can add a task. Say record video. Submit that task. We have it here. We can check or uncheck. Say it's checked. We can go and make a new task. Something else. Submit it, and then we can note that the first task is still checked until we uncheck it. We can go over our code real quick. Start in main activity. We have our first to do, so set the content view to activity.main.xml. So we use this method set content view, and then res.layout.activity_main, which is in our XML file. We have another to do, program the button task to trigger an intent. We declare the intent from this class that we're in to the add task activity class, and then we start that intent. Another one, iterate over the tasks in the list and use the askTask2UI helper method. So again, just iterate through that list and call that method. That's all of that. That's there and there. We have one of the later ones. We'll go over that one later. Task manager singleton. Implement the add task functionality. You just, because it is an array list, you can just call it the add method and then put in the task that was in the method argument. Go over to activity_main. No, this one. So here we have to declare a button. So we set the ID, so we can call that later. The width and height, and some marginal properties, and then we set the text of the button to submit task. And then after we do that, we can go back to add task activity, and then here we actually call that. We find the view by ID to button submit task. Then we declare it there along with the task description. These both were errors because they weren't declared, so we just went and declared them there. And then for the unit test, we declare a new task. We clear all the existing tasks. Then we add that task. Then we check that there is one task in that list and that the task description equals what we expected it to.